Dear students of class 9th, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. Today, again with you through this offline class with your social science subject. You know that presently we are reading the geography part of your social science, and our present chapter is India, Size and Location. This is chapter first of your geography book. In previous lectures, I told you so many things about this chapter, about this topic. Today I am going to tell you more points, give you some more information about this. I have tried to put my lecture in the form of question answer so that it will be to the point for you and it will be easy to understand for you. I have tried to highlight some points. For example, the basic definition of geography. What is geography? You can easily see this on the screen. In previous lectures, I have shared this with you. You can read it easily, and then after that, two main points about the geography of India. India is the 7th largest and the second most populous country in the world. Now, I am coming to my today's point, my today's lecture, rather the question. You can clearly see this on the screen. This is question number 3, rather one of your textual questions. And I have tried to answer this question very briefly, avoiding the unnecessary lengths. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? We have to say this. When sun rises at different times, at different places in India, and this is also true for other regions of the world, but here we have been given 1-2 places. About them we have to say. So what is it? What is the mechanism that our watches show the same time for this all? This point we have to answer, and for this we are needed to know some basics of geography, basic points of geography. Then we can easily understand these things. Here I have tried to briefly answer this. This is question number 3, answer. The longitudinal and latitudinal. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is about 30 minutes. The east-west extent is smaller than the north-south extent. There is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. As Arunachal Pradesh lies to the eastern side of India, the sun rises here earlier when compared to Gujarat. The time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Therefore, the watches show the same time in all the parts of the country. So, when we may be having the basic knowledge about what are latitudes, what are longitudes, what is standard time, and the related points, how our places make angles on the face of globe, so we can easily understand this answer. I hope that in previous classes, you are the students of 9th class. I hope that in previous classes up to 8th, your teachers may have taught you about these things. It's not possible here while answering one aspect of the question that we can go to the other points. So I hope that you may be well aware about these points, and inshallah, maybe in any future lecture, I will try to give you some basic information. What's a longitude? What's a latitude? What is standard time? I will try, but this time you have to keep in mind the concept of latitudes and longitudes, standard time, etc. So that way you can understand that how is the time of these two places which have been here given to us. These two places are Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, and like these there are also other places how the watches show equal time. That mechanism I tried to convey to you in these brief words. I hope that this is sufficient for today. I will be again, inshallah, with you with more information about this topic, with more questions and their answers. But this time I will leave you once again advising you that take care of this time, take advantage of this time, these lectures which are now in the form of a video with you, and I have also tried to write this on screen in such a way that you can clearly, easily read it and make a notebook of it that will more easily help you. With this, there is also my voice guiding you about this all. I hope that you may be taking care of your health also, health of your family members, your neighbors, friends, relatives. Try to build a spirit of encouraging each other and helping each other. Wishing you all the best, a very good time ahead. Stay home, honor COVID SOPs, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.